What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering some high paying part-time jobs where you can work from home and you can really make some good money here. And one of the good things is that you don't necessarily need to be on the phones for these jobs. One does require that you do video calls because that's how you will communicate with clients. But apart from that, it's not a job where you're working in a call center. Again, they're high paying part-time work from home jobs. You can also do these jobs full-time, but the ability to do them part-time is there. So you could get to choose if you want to work full-time or part-time. So some really good opportunities that I'm going to be covering in today's video. So be sure to stick around to the very end. Also, if you guys came to this channel primarily because you're looking to make extra money online or find a remote work from home job or just about anything that has to do with making money remotely, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is the work from home channel, and that's going to be this channel right here. And this is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. And again, I'm trying to find the highest paying possible jobs for any type of job or any job category. So if you look at some of my previous videos or recent videos, you'll realize that most of these jobs are higher paying than the average for the type of job that they are. So for example here, social media manager, no phones, making around $40 per hour. Working at Netflix, making almost $4,000 per week. $38 per hour working from home writing, and this was also a worldwide job where you could work from anywhere in the world. Also other part-time job opportunities here. Morning Brew was hiring, paying over $1,500 per week. Shift supervisor remotely, paying around $28 per hour. And for entry-level jobs or jobs that don't require any experience or any college degree, sometimes they don't even require that you have a high school diploma. All that is required are basic, what I'd call job skills. And these jobs are paying like $16 per hour, beginner friendly entry-level job. Also other entry-level jobs here are paying like $20 per hour. So some really good opportunities that I cover here, and I'm not always able to find brand new high paying job leads every single day. So whenever I do, this is where I post them. So that is why it's really important that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. But more importantly, be sure to tap the notification bell and turn on all notifications, because if you don't, then sometimes YouTube doesn't really send you the notifications in real time, and you may be notified of a job opportunity or a job lead several days after it's been covered, and then the job listing may have been pulled and is no longer available. So with that said, again, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, turn on all notifications. That way you never miss out on what could be another high paying job lead that you'd be really interested in. Also, before we dive into today's job leads, just want to remind you guys of this resource that I created for anyone that is struggling with their resume or struggling with landing interviews. This is the Pro Resume Template Kit, professionally done resume templates that are eye-catching and interview landing, and they have all been optimized for the ATS system, which simply means that your resume won't be discarded, won't be filtered out by the system, and now actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So definitely will help you to land more job interviews and help you to land more job offers. Included here are 3 professionally done resume templates. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions. Also 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You could choose whichever template you like the most and use it, or you could use all 3, or you could use the instructions and create your own ATS optimized template. So that is another advantage here. Everything is fully customizable. You could customize them using Google Docs, which is free, so you don't need to pay for any additional software or pay for a subscription service to edit these. And you can do so on any platform, so MacBook friendly, PC friendly, mobile device, whether that's your iPhone, Android, tablet, iPad, smart TV, doesn't really matter. You can edit or customize these on any device. So if you do need this resource, link is here down below, or I'll leave it in a pinned comment. But with all that covered, let's now dive into the leads for today. So some of these leads I had covered before, and they're gonna be at Rent the Runway. So currently this company is in the business of creating a virtual closet. So here it says, as the ultimate destination for circular fashion, the brand now offers infinite points of access to its shared closet via a fully customizable subscription to fashion, one-time rental, or ownership. They offer design apparel, accessories, and home decor from over 700 brand partners, and they're currently looking for a CX stylist, also a remote part-time customer experience associate. And there were some other jobs here, Senior Dynamics 365 Solutions Manager and a D365 developer. So these are the only remote positions here, just about 4 of them. And the other jobs here are location specific. So for these remote positions, I may have covered this one before. So a CX stylist here is kind of like the same thing as a personal shopper or something that's really close to it. So as a stylist here, remote stylist, you'll be responsible for driving retention through personalized styling interactions with customers to help them look and feel their best. In this role, you'll give expert styling advice to members and support them in putting together outfits both for everyday and special occasion events. And for you to be able to do this, you need to have a keen eye for style, keep up with the latest trends, and you also need to have an excellent customer service, or excellent customer service skills rather. And that's what you'll be doing. Now, this is a full-time opportunity. However, there will be opportunity to work part-time here as a remote styling or stylist in the future. So you could definitely do this remote in the future. And the only downside was that for you to be able to do this, you have to be in one of these states. So that's the only limitation here. And again, some of the responsibilities or some things that you will be doing would include responsible for styling customers through Zoom or the channel of their choice, which could be some other video chatting channel where you could help them to select clothing or outfits. Also develop one-to-one client relationships through regular communication, and refer to individuals' orders or returns history to enhance customer experience. Other things that you may be doing would be to maintain knowledge of all Rent the Runway products, including fit, styles, and inventory, pre-appointment and post-appointment outreach, connecting with the customer to ensure they have a selection that is curated for their body type and style preferences. Also adhere to brand standards for all Zoom styling appointments. And they're looking for someone that has 3+ years of experience working as a virtual or in-person stylist or personal shopper or something that is similar. Also, it is preferred that you do have customer service experience. You also need to have a love for fashion with extensive knowledge and previous experience in luxury fashion, and are passionate about styling and getting customers into the best look that suits them. So if you do have a thing for fashion and you think you're good with it or good for this job, then you could definitely apply here. This job is paying up to $22 per hour, and this is the base salary, so you could be making more here. So link will be down below for this position, a CX stylist at Rent the Runway. Other position here is a remote part-time customer experience associate. And in this job, some of the responsibilities would include delivering exceptional service and cultivate positive lifetime relationships with customers, be a brand ambassador, stay informed about all Rent the Runway products, fit, styles, and inventory, resolve customer inquiries with care and creativity, providing a personalized, unique service tailored to their needs, share customer feedback and insights with team members and leaders, foster empathetic, positive, and collaborative team culture that thrives on diversity and energy. They're also looking for someone that has 2 years of experience working in a customer-focused environment, someone that is passionate, multitasker, resilient, problem solver, great communicator, strong integrity, and dedicated. And in this job, it's not really paying a lot. I will say it's only paying around $16 per hour if you're working in one of these states or down to $14 per hour in these two right here. But you do get a flexible schedule, or you could choose from some schedules here. So there is some flexibility. And again, this is part-time. So Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 6 or 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So a bit of flexibility here. So if you need to pick up something part-time or some supplementary income, then this could be a great opportunity to do so. Remote part-time customer experience associate at Rent the Runway. Now, other jobs they have open right now that are fully remote would include these engineering positions like a senior Dynamics 365 solutions manager. Now, in this role, this is what you'll be doing. So it says here, as a member of the Rent the Runway IT team who leverages the features of Dynamics 365 to support a rapidly growing business, you will need to engage with technology, AP, general accounting, and tax, as well as business partners across the company in merchandising, operations, and software engineering. And they're looking for someone that will design and develop solutions that integrate their financial systems and processes with in-house supply chain systems. Also follow standardization of key business processes, deployments, and enhancements. Maintain a high level of security and compliance around Dynamics 365 and related apps. Partner with finance and fashion ops team on all aspects of the D365 platform. Analyze processes, products, and services used at Rent the Runway, and collaborate with stakeholders to resolve issues with or create opportunities and solutions for the operations of D365. And as for the requirements here, minimum of 5+ years of experience working with Microsoft Dynamics 365, experience working with large software enterprise systems and projects, strong business knowledge of financial processes, knowledge of ERP systems, architecture, and software to interface with ERP, excellent or exceptional rather communication, business partnering, vendor management, and service delivery skills, team-oriented, self-managed and determined, demonstrated analytical troubleshooting and research skills, strong requirements gathering and definition skills with the ability to derive, categorize, validate, and translate into technical deliverables, proficiency in facilitating and leading both physical and remote teams across the business, also excellent customer-facing skills, excellent verbal, written, and presentation skills. And for this position, they're offering a great deal of benefits here. So this one is offering paid time off, including paid bereavement, family sick leave, universal paid parental leave for both parents, flexible return to work program, paid sabbatical after 5 years off service, exclusive employee subscription and rental discounts, comprehensive health, vision, dental, 401k match, company-wide events, and you get to work from home remotely. Now, there wasn't any salary listed for this position, but we could find that at Glassdoor. And if you guys have never heard about this company before, Rent the Runway, they are listed on Glassdoor. So here on a Glassdoor company overview, let's take a look at that real quickly. So overall rating here is 3 out of 5 stars, so fairly good. Company is based out of New York. They have over 500 reviews and over 800 reported salaries. So depending on which one of the jobs you want to apply for, you could come over to Glassdoor and find Rent the Runway, and then you could look up the reported salaries for that particular position. Or if you can't find it, you could look for something that is similar to give you an idea of what they could be paying. So for example, a stylist here based on 10 reported salaries is making around $42,000 per year. And for a customer service representative or a customer experience associate, they're making on average around $35,000 per year. So that should give you an idea of what you could be making here. As for the D365 position, you may have to search for that one. If you're not able to find that salary, then you may have to look at some other job positions here that have similar requirements, and then look at the salaries for those. That may give you an idea of what they may be paying for that position. But if you guys want to apply, I'll leave the link to their careers page right here, so you could go through and apply to any of the jobs, whether the remote jobs, or if you do find something that is close to you, then you can apply to that job as well. So these were the job leads for today. A few jobs from Rent the Runway. all links down below. Also, don't forget to go over to my second channel, the Work From Home channel. I actually just posted another brand new job lead over there today, so you may want to check that out. But as always, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you guys find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for, that gives you all the freedom and flexibility and also pays you a lot. But as always, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.